What's going on, crypto guys? And today I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell crypto on Coinbase. This is just a continuation of the series of videos that we are putting up for you guys about Coinbase and how you can do anything on Coinbase. For those of you who don't know about Coinbase, Coinbase is one of the best cryptocurrency exchange, and I have been teaching you how you can sign up for Coinbase and how you can do pretty much everything on Coinbase. And this is another series of video that I'm going to show you how you can buy and how you can sell crypto on Coinbase. You just click here, buy and sell, and then you put the amount that you want to buy. For me, I'll put 1,000. You can hover here and click these two arrows here, and then it will give you from your currency to Bitcoin. So 1,000 worth of Bitcoin, like this worth of Bitcoin in fiat currency, and if you hover here you'll get it in BTC. This is how you can hover and get the value in BTC. And after doing that, after you have decided that that is the amount that you want to put to buy Bitcoin, then you come to this drop down here. So this one is one-time purchase. It is in default that it is one-time purchase by default, but you can choose up the daily and weekly, and first and 15th of the month, which is twice a month, and even monthly. So you can purchase Bitcoin on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, twice a month, and monthly, once a month. That is better for you guys who are maybe unemployed, or you're doing some business and you want to invest crypto on autopilot. So each and every day you want to invest crypto, or each and every month, or each and every week you want to invest in crypto. The good thing with investing crypto at these particular times is that it's called the dollar cost averaging. The dollar cost averaging is when you buy crypto without looking at the price of the coin. Okay, because when you look at the price of the coin, then you'll not buy any crypto, because sometimes the price is high and sometimes the price is low. So when you buy it on a daily or monthly basis, or even twice a month, then what you'll do, if let's take for example you bought 0.001 Bitcoin today, and the price of one Bitcoin at that time will be $20,000. So when you buy today, it will get that percentage of the $20,000. Okay, so when you buy it tomorrow, then it will be, let's say you're buying it tomorrow as when the crypto or when the Bitcoin is at $30,000. So what happens is you'll buy it a little bit more. So that is a little bit less from the one you bought earlier when the crypto was $20,000. And you also, maybe sometimes you'll also buy it when it is $40,000. So you'll get like 0.0072. Okay. So when you calculate the average of these times that you've bought crypto, then you'll find that you're buying it at cheaper, more than the guy who will just wait for it and buy it when everything is like $4,000 or even $6,000. So this is what is called dollar cost averaging, and that is, you can do it here. So what happens is, put your fiat currency that you want to buy crypto, and you buy it. As you can see, this will change. The price here will change according to the movement of the crypto. Okay, because the crypto does not stay in one place. So does not stay at one point. So sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down, and when it goes ups and down, then you'll find that when you put here 1,000, that amount changes, and even the value of BTC here even changes. So let's take for example, now you want to buy 0.01 of BTC monthly. So maybe you have a target that when it reaches 10 months, you'll have 0.1 BTC. So you'll just convert this to 0.1 multiplied by 10. That is 0.1 BTC. So what you'll do you just choose the Bitcoin here. This is the coin that you want to buy with bank account that we had set up while we were registering for Coinbase account, and then you click the preview and buy, and you can hover here and see what you'll be paying for 0.01 of a Bitcoin. So when you want to sell, you just do the same thing here and the preview and then sell. So when you sell, I do not have any Bitcoin to sell. So if I have any Bitcoin to sell, this is what I will put the Bitcoin that I want to sell to Coinbase, and then select the pair of coin that I want, which is Bitcoin as in this case, and then I use my bank account that we had set up when we were registering for Coinbase, and then sell. You will not actually sell it on the current Bitcoin price, and you can choose the coin. It doesn't have to be Bitcoin. You can even choose another coin from this drop down here. So this we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD coin, Cardano, Uniswap, and all that stuff up to down here. So you just find the one that you want to buy. Sometimes that you want to buy and hold it, or sometimes you want to buy and take it to another exchange in order to trade it, or use it to buy what you want to buy with. So when you choose Ethereum, it will, at the button here will say buy Ethereum, and if it's Bitcoin, BUSD, buy Binance USD, and the same as selling. So sometimes you want to convert from one crypto to the other. Let's take, for example, you have Bitcoin and you want to convert all the Bitcoin to Ethereum. So what you do here, you just choose from Bitcoin to Ethereum. This will be the currency that you have, and this is what you want to convert into. I have Bitcoin and I want to convert it to Binance USD. Just click the Binance USD. It will convert from Bitcoin to Binance USD. If I want like from Bitcoin to Binance USD, then that will convert $10 of my worth of my Bitcoin that I have to USD. So that's what happens. So this is how you can convert from one coin to the other. So another place that you can go to, assets, and in the assets you'll find all the total balance that you have. Let's take, for example, you have like $10 or $10,000. This is the total balance of everything that is in your account. So all your crypto assets will appear here. So if you have like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or Bitcoin Cash, or Binance USD, everything will be in this place. There is also a way that you can send and receive crypto. So if I want to send crypto, let's say I bought something from somebody and I want to send him $50 worth of Bitcoin. So what I'll do here, I just come to send and receive button over here, and then I click the amount that I want to send to him if I want to pay in Bitcoin. So what I'll do is pay with Bitcoin, or I can even change the cryptocurrency that I want to send. And then what I'll do, I can write the optional message or not, and then you continue. So this one has been grayed out. I can't click continue here because I do not have any Bitcoin in my account. This is a test account, so I don't have anything here. I can even convert everything to BTC, which when I click the convert, it will convert me here. Everything will be converted to BTC. Another way is to receive. This is my BTC address. Okay, so you are told that you only send Bitcoin to this address. Okay, this is now my BTC address. So if you want to send me some BTC, just copy this address and send it to you. Then you send it to this particular address. Then I'll receive that Bitcoin. Or sometimes you can scan this QR code here and send me some BTC. So that's how you send and receive Bitcoin, and this is how you buy and sell Bitcoin. or any other cryptocurrencies. Buying and selling cryptocurrency via a card is normally expensive. This is the payment method that we had added while we were signing up for Coinbase. And if you want to add another new payment method, then you just you click the account logo here, and then you come to settings. When you come to settings, then you come to payment methods. So when you come to payment methods, you'll see all the payment methods that you have added on Coinbase. But now you can add a new payment method. But as you can see, only one payment method that I have. So I do not have any other payment methods apart from payments via a Visa card or via a card. So some of you guys maybe are in a different countries that Coinbase accepts toward other payments method like wire transfer. Okay, for those who are not in those countries that are accepted, so I just don't want to make this video long. I'll teach you on how you can add your transferring of bank account, because that method is the cheapest one. This one you pay a lot of fees, but using the wire transfer you pay less fees. So I'll show you that one in the next video. So click the subscribe button and also like and share this video so that when I upload a video on that video, then you will be updated. So see you in the next one.